dobar dan svima. Hello everybody. My name is Vladan Petković. I am the programmer of Istoviden program. This year it's called Dreams of the Future. And when we started this 6 years ago, the idea was to show films, like good short films from countries with similar production circumstances and similar societies to that of Slovenia. But as the world is changing and the festival is changing, we have something different this year. It's still films from the countries east of Eden, if Eden is Slovenia. And so we are also trying to conform to this topic of Fact to the Future. So there you will see 6 films. The first is Atomic by HNV Collective from Finland. The second is Dream Delivery by Yuan Zheng from China. The third is That Which Is To Come Is Just a Promise by Platform. It's a collective from Italy, and the film is a co-production with Netherlands and New Zealand, but it takes place in the Pacific island of Tuvalu. And it's about climate change, which is very clearly shown in this quite experimental film. Next up is Hungarian animation by Little Block by Eva Darabos, which is more of a, let's say, story of a personal future. Then the next one is Jeva by Vytautas Plukas and Domas Petronis from Latvia. Lithuania, which is about AI, but through sort of a woman robot. And this female topic also appears in the first film, in Atomic, where a lady wears a gem in her hair made out of it's a side product of nuclear tests, so it also talks about sort of a nightmarish future. The Chinese film I mentioned before is very much in the present, but it is also out of time, and you will recognize the delivery bikes, but they are set in a very special place. And the last film, Mask, by Polish director Hanka Brulinska, is based on a short story by Stanislav Lem, and it was made as part of the celebration of 100 years of Stanislav Lem's birth. And I would like to thank the Polish embassy for their support to the festival. Enjoy the screening.